monitoring sleep, answering calls, mobile payment. This smartwatch can handle all these things. In China, you can easily buy it in brick-and-mortar stores or online platforms, but is it available in other countries around the world?
I'm standing in front of an electronic equipment retail store in Brussels, capital of Belgium. Let's go inside and see if we can find some made in China smartwatches and other products here. In addition to providing smart manufacturing products to the world, China has also established technological cooperation with more than 160 countries and regions, participated in more than 200 international organizations and multilateral mechanisms, and actively contributed to the world's technological innovation and manufacturing progress.
I'm currently at Pasuruan Regency of East Java Province of Indonesia. The power plant beside me is converting solar energy into electricity right now for the power consumption of a bottled water factory on the Nice.
So I'm at the ongoing World Manufacturing Convention in Anhui province. And you can find a lot of Chinese-made new energy vehicles exhibited here. At the same time, I heard today a Chinese new energy vehicle is promoting its brand in the European market. Next, let's meet my colleague in Europe.
I'm Guo Chen with the Xinhua News Agency. In recent years, more and more Chinese electric car brands are going to the world market. Today, Skyway, a new electric car brand from China, takes its new car to Vienna, Austria.